Go. Kinda in my way. Yo, what's up, y'all? It's just another day. Welcome back to my channel. It's hella late in the afternoon. Got off work at 1 o'clock, going in at 3. So, you know, gotta do all my shit late. So I'm about to go down and fuck with my Lexus. Try to fix some little pieces in it. And then maybe this weekend I'll do my power steering pump too. So, yo, it's a ES300. It's got a little bit of problems. Somebody got some music playing. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Woo woo. Got my Durango. Damn, I curbed the fuck out the fucking curb that night. Damn. Motherfucker. Oh shit. That dumb shit done flipped the fuck over. My bad about that. I'll try to cut that shit out. Alright, so what I'm about to fix this motherfucker right now is, so it's got this center console right here, right? It's got two trays. It's got this tray and it's got this tray. See that? So one night, I ain't even in the shop, don't give a fuck. One night I came out, and shit was just popped open like that. I'm like, what the fuck? How the hell that happened? Don't know. But see this little clip right here? This little tiny itty bitty fucking clip. You know, right there? That right there. Somehow, randomly, that shit got broke. Broke. Bam. See? Oh, it's raining now. I'm like, what does that sound? See? Oh, it goes right there. Fingers in the way. But it broke off. So when we were at the wrecking yard to get the power steering pump, favorite spot in the world, wrecking yard, we got that piece. Bam. That's one piece I'm about to fix. And then, see right here? See where it says push? Push. So, it's amazing. Pow. Push this out. It's got cup holders. Y'all see what's wrong with that? See that? That's that too. See that right there? Now little U-shapes. They're supposed to be little U-shape. Little tiny U-shaped brackets. Ooh. Person. They're missing. So guess what? I got them from the wrecking yard. I'm about to put them on there. So that's what I'm going to try to do today. So, on the lid here, I'm going to take those 4 bolts out. There, 2 there, and the 2 on the other side. I'm going to take the lid off. I'm just going to take it upstairs and do it all upstairs. And this right here, I think you pop this out. After I clean all that junk out of there. You pop this out. And then somehow, ooh, amazing goodness. And somehow, I'll figure out how to get this off of there. So I can take this upstairs. And I can fix it upstairs. So yeah, that's my plan, Stan. So I need to go get a Phillips head screwdriver. I keep all my tools. Ow, the car shocks me. It's fucking raining. It's crazy. And sunny outside. Keep all my tools in my Durango. For now. Oh. I can show y'all the power steering pump now. Here's the power steering pump we took off. Bam. Pick a pole. Shit only cost me 40 bucks. I don't give a fuck. I know that shit's gonna work. Oh yeah, I need a Phillips head screwdriver. Phillips. Damn it. I just now fucking realized. Another thing that I need, that I should probably get when I go out to the wrecking yard next time is this switch. See that? It's supposed to click and stay on. See that? Click and stay on. This one don't. See that? It's broke. So one day, took one of my friends to go get his car. Actually, take his car to the shop because it was having issues. And I pulled into the shop, had the seat warmer on, went to turn it off, and it broke. So I like my butt warm in the mornings when I drive the car, so I switched the switches. So next time I go to the wrecking yard. Oh, another thing about these cars. So I got this Row 52 app, and I don't know if y'all know about Row 52, but it's an app for pick and pull. It's a fucking amazing app, right? I searched today 500 miles from where I live, which is in Portland, Oregon. One Lexus ES300 in a wrecking yard for 500 miles. 2,000 Lexus ES300. One of them. Just one of them. Can y'all believe that? Just one. But it's close. It's like 45 minutes from my house. But I don't want to drive out there for 45 minutes for a switch. Oh, I figured out how to get the thing off. So, I'm going to have to take the whole center console out, right? Bam. What are those? Two 10mm bolts. And then splits here. So, I don't know if I have to pop that piece up. I'll figure it out. Yes, sir. Got my light on. See down in there? See how that thing pops in and out of there? See. Ooh, look, a penny. Yay. That's nasty, though. I am not sticking my hand down there. That is gross. Well, I have to stick my hand down there anyways. But not for a penny. Oh, there's another penny down there. Oh, what is that? Try to stick my hand down there anyways. Hey, look. It's the clip. So it's supposed to go in there like... It's supposed to go in there like so. See? And then when you push it in, it's supposed to pop out like that. It's supposed to go in like that. And then when you open it, it's supposed to pop out like that. Nope. Broken. That one's garbage. You know what? Correction. I said it was a 10mm. It is a 12mm. Just two simple little bolts. Let's take them out of here. Got this little nifty craft or snap-on. Where's the camera? Snap-on tool set. Best tool set ever. Stays in my car. Bam. Bolts. Two little 12s. Should be loose. Yes, sir. Okay. Oh, fuck. I need to go get a flathead screwdriver, too. Jesus Christ. Yuck. Greasy ass shit. Oh, I got gloves. Gloves suck. Gloves suck. Crunch. I don't do it. Let me see. There too. Let me pop these out. So, right now, taking out the heated seat plugs. Oh, snap. That works. Fuck it. That works too. So, instead of taking the plugs out, and that shit, I just took the whole center thing out. Easy peasy. Oh shit, good thing I just didn't go to rip this out of here. Because right here, see right here, right there, and there. You'll see that. There, and there. Phillips head screws. Man. Oh, bad. This car is not at a wrecking yard, so, you know, I just can't rip it apart. I have to be gentle on what I'm doing, but I'm taking it apart slow. I'm getting it though, see? Move to those 2 screws. Put them on the floorboard up front so you don't lose them. Easy. I got tired of fucking with those stupid plugs. But what the fuck is hooked up in there now? What's that? Oh shit. 12 volt. Easy peasy. Oh damn. Look at that. So I got it out. Bam, see that? It's out of there. It's a lot of shit to fucking do. Take it upstairs and fix it. Put all the pieces in that I got. I'll show you them first. Show you how they work. Oh, y'all want to see something cool? So peep this. Remember how my check engine light was on? Watch this. See that? No more check engine. Fixed the mass airflow sensor, you know, got a new one. That did it. Yup. But fucking badass, no check engine light. Yup. Got it upstairs. Phillips head screw there, Phillips head screw there. Phillips head screw way down there. Phillips head screw way down there. Pull them out. Pops right out. You know what? She wants to butt in. You want to butt in and be my video? Oh, my fish is jumping. You want to butt in, be in my video? Come on, let's go, zombie mom. Wait, let me back up. Gotta get zombie mom. Do it, zombie mom. You really look like a dead zombie. She's chasing me. Ah! I know. I can't see either. I don't fuck my eyeballs up. Okay. Back to the shit. All right. That one was easy to figure out. Bam. Got that shit out right here. Bam, bam, son. Now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Bam. Pops out like that. Okay. All this to get way, you see that little tiny screw back there? I got that little tiny screw off of there. But first, I gotta pop the cover off. I like the screwdriver. This right here, that clip, and that clip, this piece comes right off. Well, fuck. See that? Don't get too anxious and break it. I broke it. Oh well. Bam. Cut it off. Only broke one side. That's okay. Oh, look at that. Kicked it into the shot. That was perfect. The lighting in this place sucks. Turn on some lights. Excuse me. Fingering this shit out. Bam. Now, I gotta take this screw out. This screw. And this screw. Hey, you hear that? I didn't say Phillips head screwdriver. Take that screw out and that screw out. And then I'll be able to put my little new clippies in. Bam. See that? Piece comes right off. 2 little screws. Now see, these are supposed to have springs. Bam. New handle. Not broken. New springs. New cuppy holders. So I'm just about to put those on, and then I'll show y'all when it's done. Not done, but they sit in somewhat like that. Right there. Okay. Now I gotta remember how to put the springs all back on, cause I kinda done forgot. What the fuck? Man, messing around with this thing for like an hour and 45 minutes, I finally figured out that it's broke. Some little tiny tablets. So, this whole entire unit right here is garbage. Back to the wrecking yard. Oh shit, now I gotta deal with this bright ass light in my face. It is now nighttime. All back together. Gonna have a tan button, but I don't give a stuff. Yeah. So now I'm going down to put it back in the car. Alright, I got it all back in. Still no cup holders. See? No clippy clips because they broken. So I'm going to go back and get some more. Oop, better not do that. Might break that shit again. Got this clip in. It's all back in. Got my mess back up in there. Oh shit. Yeah, fuck that thing. Got it all put back together. Center console. Watch it. Oh. Ha. It never used to do that. It was missing this piece. It was broken. Fixed it. So. Oh yeah. Check this out. Earlier. Check out my pink tire. Ain't that shit? I curved the fuck out of that tire. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching my video. All about my Lexus. No fish tank inning today. I think I'm gonna end my video with Zombie Mom. I think so. So hit that like button, subscribe and share button for me, please. Alright, I'm out. Zombie Mom! Fuck yeah!